As you were moving around between apps, you probably noticed that from a user perspective, Android doesn't announce changes in app state. It doesn't announce that it's low in memory or ask users to close apps to free up resources. In fact, it does everything it can to make the resource limitations of the device invisible to the user. And that means keeping the foreground app running smoothly and switching between apps seamless. And that means killing apps in the background. And it does that if it needs their resources to make sure that the foreground apps can continue to run. So we know that as soon as your app isn't visible, its lifetime is as perilous as that of a Stark at the Red Wedding, likely to die without notice, but ready to return from the dead. That tells us some very important things about how our apps should behave to be good citizens and provide a great user experience. From a system perspective, on pause and on stop are signals that our app may be killed imminently. So we need to clean up any resources that need an orderly teardown, such as closing any open connections or sockets.